My name is Charlie Maga, and I want to meet you so much. We got a special book to read. And do you know what that book is? You know what is it? You know what's that name? And do you know how to read it? You have to say anything what you want. It's a special book, and it's a big book. It's like God, like this. God is like this. God is taller. God's not a mouse. God is really bigger. Do you want to talk about God? Okay. God is giving out money. Respect, the Spanish school. You have to be respect. Be good to be nice to other people. When you read a book, it means you have to go sleep. Don't peek. Don't do like this. That's not sleeping. You have to sleep really tight like this. Don't peek like that. Peeking, it means you're kidding. You'll go to the toilet area or to the padera or to the timeout. If you have to go to the chair, okay? Bring the chair in there to be a timeout, because in my school there's a timeout with chair. You have to bring a chair always. If you're good now, it means you have to sleep. Hug your teddy bear and go to sleep. Okay? At night, if it rainy days, don't come outside. If it's rainy, you sleep at night. This coming to special rainbow or snow. That's what's happening. Africa, there's a snow. Africa, there's a rainbow. Every night is a star. And star is a sprinkly star. And until morning, gets set up. So it's a special rocket for you and me. So I'll show you the book now. Okay, kiss me first. Okay, now Mr. Moon is always in the cartoons. Okay. You know what is it? It starts with J. I mean start with K. K. Yes! Crocodile.
Start from letter C, not K.
Yes, look. Look, A, B, C. It said A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P. See? P, that's P. My name starts with B. My name starts with B, I, A, N,
C,
and E.
A last.
And A last. Okay. Okay, this story called Crocodiles ABC. Crocodiles ride in train.